Money transfer apps lets you transfer money quickly, safely, and conveniently without having any issues. And with the numerous money transfer apps in the world right now, with some very popular ones like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App, you can choose from this large list and get which one favors you more. Well, without any more waste of time, we will get started with our video proper. In this video today, we will be showing you how you can send money from Cash App to Venmo easily. And we will be showing you 3 quick steps to use and send money from Cash App to Venmo. We will be back after the short intro. To send money from Cash App to Venmo, follow the steps below. Step 1. Add your bank account to both Cash App and Venmo. To transfer money from Cash App to Venmo, you need to have your bank account linked to both apps. This will allow easy transfer of funds. Step 2. Transfer money from Cash App to your bank account. Before you can send funds from Cash App to Venmo, you need first of all to send the money to your bank account. Step 3. Send money from bank account to Venmo. Now that you have funds in your bank account, sending it to Venmo is very easy. Well, to get a detailed explanation of all these main steps, quickly hit the link in the description below and read our written article. This is the end of this video, and if you found this helpful, hit the like button, then subscribe and hit the bell for frequent notifications from us.